This is William going to feed himself some little rice puffs. Are you ready, William? Are you ready? Here. Is it in there?
It's somewhere there. Oh, I heard a crash.
Is it in there? Did you get it?
You look like eating.
I think you're eating it. Nice one. It's not in your hand, is it? Here, here's another one. Oh, he dropped it. Here, it's right here. Dropped it again. These fingers are difficult to work, aren't they? Did you get it? You got it. Nice. Hiya. Is that good? Let's try one more.
Pass it down to the right hand.
Chases it down. Oh. Oh no! Oh, man overboard.
Lenny, don't lick my fingers. Oh my god, I'm gonna kick his butt.
It's right here. Oh, there it is.
It was locked.
Did you get it? Okay, that's good with the kicking. That's good. You eating it? Show me your hand. It's in your hand still. It's in your hand still. Are you hiding it?
Are you tasting air? Is it good?
What are you chewing if it's still in your hand? Look, it's still in your hand. Oh, I think he's gonna get it. Okay.
So much anticipation.
You must be eating it now.
I mean, I couldn't tell the first
Is it in
time.
your hand? Is it in your hand? It's gone. Yay! Yay! Good job. Okay, that's good. Say bye-bye.